Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to add form in ClickUp. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Now the first thing that we're going to do is just go to our search engine, type ClickUp in the search box, and click this website. Now, for beginners, you will be asked to sign up. If you already have an account, just click Login. Now, this is our ClickUp interface. Now, at the top, there are icons. All you need to do is just click the View tab, scroll down, click Form. Streamline your intake process by adding a form view to quickly gather, organize, and collect data. So just click Add. Now, this is our form. You might want to change the picture here. However, there are some features in this app that require subscription. These features at the right-hand corner of our interface require, again, subscription plans. You may assign this task to certain people. You can also customize the template, our URL, and you can also change the theme from light to dark. You may also choose a certain color from our primary color, depending on your preference. Our ClickUp branding, we can also add a custom field answers to the description of task. You can also keep the fields full width. You can also add reCAPTCHA, and you can show a link to submit another response. Now let's get started with our form. Let's go to the task fields. Now all we need to do is just click the task field and drag it to our form and drop it. As you can see in our task field, at the bottom right corner, there is the box that says required. If you do not require your respondents to fill out this certain field, then you can just uncheck this part. If you require your respondents, then just click the box. You can also add a task description, a start date. You can add a start date and a due date. Now for me, I'm going to add a priority field. You can also add a field for attachment, files, documents. For me, I'm going to add a status. You can also customize your field. So all you need to do is just click this tab. So click Add Custom Field. Now there are different icons here: drop down, rating, money, formula, text area, number, labels, people, progress, text, date, website, checkbox, email, files, phone, location, tasks, progress, relationship. So just choose from the icons here. For me, I'm going to add a long text. However, I'm not going to require my respondents to fill out this field, only if they, give more suggestions. Now let's write the title of our form. So let's say, what video are we going to create? For the description, you can give your instructions to your respondents. So please write your suggestions on what video are we going to create. And then you can check the form. Just click this viewing tab, and this is what your form looks like. can review it, you can edit. Just click the editing tab. You can edit it anytime. All right. Now, inactive, if we click this button here at the right hand corner of our interface, then this form will no longer accept responses. So just click active since we are still accepting responses. If you want to copy this link or to send this link to your respondents, just click copy link and they can open a new tab and just paste it. There we go. You can fill out the form already. Now let's try to fill out the form just to see a response. So let's say the task name would be, I'm going to suggest YouTube video tutorial. And I'm going to say, let's make YouTube video tutorial. For the start date, I'm going to, let's say we're going to start May 10 and we're going to end, let's say Saturday, May 13. Priority I would select this would be urgent. And for the status, let's say in progress. Again, we don't need to fill out this field since it's not required, so just submit. Okay. Now for us to view the results, the responses of our respondents, so just click the results tab here. And as you can see, there are different projects. So let's go to the in progress area. Okay, there. So choose YouTube video tutorial. And there's a response from your respondent. So you can assign this to certain people. You can share this task. You can also track the time when it started. You can have a timer, or you can set it manually or range. For you to check whom from your respondents have already viewed this form, you can just click this icon, watchers, and there. So you can check your respondents from time to time, the responses. If you want to customize or edit your form, just go to your form and just click editing. So you can continue editing if you want to add more. So there we go. That's how easy we can add form in ClickUp. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to type your questions below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Thanks for watching!